Assalamu alaikum. This is Discrete Homotopy theory lecture series. So today we will see a lemma. Every path of finite length admits a reparametrization of length infinity. Okay, so let's prove. Let's say alpha is a path, gamma is a path from x to x prime whose length is n. N length path is a map. What type of map? Gamma is a map from in to x such that gamma of 0 is equal to x and gamma of n is equal to x prime. Define, let's choose a shrinking map. Let's choose a shrinking map which is S from I infinity to in is given by this equation. So S of I is equal to, so if I is less than 0, so we will get 0. If I is in between 0 to n, we will get I same number. If I is greater than equal to n, so we will get n. Okay, means infinite length interval minus infinity to positive infinity, graph interval 0, 1, 2, 3 and to n. So this shrinking map for all this part map to 0 and for all this part map to n. Okay, and this path same as it is, means 0 map to 0, 1 map to 1, 2 map to 2 and so on to n map to n. So this is the shrinking map, this type of shrinking map. If we compose shrinking map, means there is a shrinking map from I infinity to in, and there is a gamma, there is a path from in to x. If we compose gamma, compose s, and we can compose because all the possibilities hold in this part. So gamma of s from I infinity to x is a path whose length is infinity length from x to x prime. Okay, so what type of path? So gamma compose s of I is equal to gamma of 0 for all I. If for all I is less than 0, we will get 0 at this part. So gamma of 0 is equal to x, and gamma compose as I is equal to gamma of n when for all I is greater than equal to n. So gamma of n, according to the definition of gamma, so we will get x prime. So gamma compose S is a path from x to x prime, infinity length. So we can say gamma compose S is reparametrization of gamma. Okay. So by using gamma, we can compose, we can make this this path. So we can say, if according to the statement of lemma, if every finite length path im2x admits a reparametrization, means this from this path we can make a path whose length is infinity, infinite length path. So both are reparametrization, means we can make this type of path which is the length of infinity, can make from this finite length of path. So this proved. So this is the reparametrization of gamma whose length having the length is infinity. Okay, let's end this video. Allah Hafiz.